Hey, are you interested in what is Cloud Functions? Well, Cloud Functions is a pivotal service provided by the GCP that enables serverless computing. This means you can write and deploy code without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Join us as we dive deep into its capabilities and how it can be a part of your digital strategy. Cloud Functions are primarily event-driven, automatically responding to various events such as modifications in data, incoming API calls, or actions from other services. This service offers a streamlined avenue for deploying business logic, allowing you to focus solely on crafting code while Google handles the scaling and management. They serve as small, single-purpose functions that execute in response to events. This capability is vital for applications requiring real-time data processing, like IoT devices, real-time analytics, or managing asynchronous workloads. Key advantages of using Cloud Functions: cost efficiency. Only pay for the compute time you consume with no charge when your code isn't running. Scalability. Google Cloud handles scaling automatically from a few requests per day to thousands per second. Fully managed. No servers to provision, manage, or upgrade. Integrated security. Google handles security and compliance, backed by a robust infrastructure. Connectivity. Easily extend Cloud Functions with other Google services or third-party APIs to create complex workflows. Did you know that questions about GCP Cloud Functions are some of the most common during certifications? If you want to test your knowledge before taking the exam, we have great news for you. Our experts have prepared premium practice tests, so you can boost your cloud skills. Check the links in the description. Google Cloud Functions offers customizable options to suit specific operational needs. Runtime environments allow you to choose from supported languages such as Node.js, Python, Go, Java, and more. Memory and performance help to configure memory allocation that automatically scales with the function's execution. Network settings means that functions can be connected to private Google VPC networks, ensuring data remains secure during processing. While Google Cloud Functions offer a range of benefits, they also come with certain inherent limitations that need careful consideration when integrating into your system architecture. Cold starts. During a cold start, the environment provisions necessary resources to run the function, which can lead to performance issues, particularly in applications that require consistently low response times. Runtime restrictions. Google Cloud Functions impose limitations on runtime. For example, the maximum allowable execution time for a function is 9 minutes, and available memory options range from 128 MB to 4 GB. Statelessness. Each function execution in Cloud Functions is stateless, meaning it does not preserve the state of interactions across calls. Dependency management. Cloud Functions support several popular programming languages, but managing external libraries and dependencies can be problematic. The pricing for Google Cloud Functions is determined by the number of function executions, the amount of computing time used, and the data transferred. This pricing structure enables meticulous control over budgets, aligning expenses closely with actual usage patterns and minimizing unnecessary costs. Cloud Functions are ideal for scenarios where quick, isolated execution of code is necessary, such as automating cloud workflows, responding to database changes, processing file uploads, real-time data transformation, sending notifications, and more. Cloud Functions has evolved significantly from the first to the second generation, each bringing distinct capabilities. Let's compare them. Execution time and memory limits. The first generation offers execution times up to 9 minutes with memory up to 2 GB, which suits shorter, less demanding tasks. In contrast, the second generation extends this limit to 60 minutes and increases available memory up to 16 GB, supporting more extensive, resource-intensive applications and long-running processes. Networking and connectivity. The second generation simplifies this with default VPC connectivity, enabling more straightforward, secure interactions with other services. Concurrency and scaling. The first generation handles one request at a time per instance, and the second generation improves concurrency by allowing a single instance to process multiple requests concurrently, significantly enhancing efficiency and reducing response times. Trigger options. While the first generation supports fundamental triggers, such as HTTP requests and Cloud Pub sub-events, The second generation expands these options, incorporating more varied event sources, functions to interact more dynamically and support a wider array of automated workflows. Performance improvements. The second generation runs with faster cold start times and improved scaling behaviors, which are critical for applications that depend on high performance and reliability. By leveraging GCP Cloud Functions, businesses can reduce complexity and cost while increasing scalability and efficiency. This serverless solution not only streamlines development by abstracting server management, but also enables organizations to innovate faster by focusing on building solutions that directly contribute to business outcomes. Thank you guys. Subscribe and follow us.